How to fix Play Store can't download or update on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store can't download or update on Android phone. First, then open settings and then click apps and apps again and scroll down. Scroll until you find this one, Google Play Store. Click on it and then click force stop and click force stop and then go to storage and now click clear cache and then clear data and click OK and go back and go to Google Play services and then click storage, clear cache again and go to manage storage and click clear data. Now just go back and restart your phone and it will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.